Good afternoon. My name is Ashish Pandit. I'm from MBA first year. Sir taught us about personality skill and how should be your personality and sir also told us about public speaking, how should you should present in a public and how should you contact with people, interacting with people, and sir also uh, taught us about presentation skills, how should you should present in public, how should be your presentation.
So good afternoon. My name is Vinod Bhoge. I am from ICM College, final year BA Mechanical student. And what we have done in that program. So we have actually we have a bunch of words, but how we express our knowledge or how we present ourselves in a speech, we don't know about that. But now after the training session of how we perform a speech and also how we give a presentations a PPT presentation or any other presentations in front of the peoples. So now we are able to give any type of presentations. The sir completed in a training various types of factors which is most important in the presentation simply which type of fonts we use, how we use the slides, and also in the body language. Sir talk about how we perform in front of the people. Our body language is the most important part of our presentations. And another word is how we speak in front of people, how we collaborate with the peoples, and how to take attraction of the people towards us. So now it is most beneficial for us how we present in front of the people. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Vidya. We learn about the public speaking in front of people. Very important thing is in public speaking. Eye contact is very important thing. Whenever you speak in front of people, you ready for the public speaking. You collect the important data. Then this sequence you have to collect data. Then you arrange properly and say in front of people, and you give stories in front of people, like engaging the in story people, like engage in your speech, then complete your speech. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. Myself Sonali Bukele. I was learned to very nice. I got to public speaking concept very well. Also, how to match contact to audience. Okay.
My name is Atik Sharif, and the experiences what the trainer has taught us is that in individual presentation, first of all, before the training, we don't know about the proper sequence and the proper techniques to present the presentation, to present the PPT in front of the viewers. Now we know about the slogans of where the in what the sequence we have to adjust the PPT and the slogans, and where and at which point we have to at which point we have to add stories or poets or any slogans, etc., etc. And in group discussions, we don't know about the technique, whether and in group discussion and in group presentation, we don't know about the technique about what time one should speak. Now the trainer has taught us about the sequences and the method to translate the your points of view in front of the viewers, etc. Thank you.